money. I will pay the money. I beg you in the name of God. Say it fit my husband. Facebook. Send me the video. Maybe once in a while for TikTok, they'll just cut all this entire TikTok now for to see all this thing. Maybe if you don't pass after a few days, I can't see so many things where they happen for Facebook. As they send me the thing, I feel so bad. Really, you get every right to be very, very angry because yes, now me introduce you to my husband. And what make me comment this afternoon, and because of this matter. The money where they talk about, so I beg, find how you fit reach me. How you fit reach me because I not fit reach you, you block me. So make I pay the money. I will pay the money. I beg you in the name of God. Sarah, if you see the, I beg you know, Sarah, may share this video, go reach her. Make it send me her account number. Make it call me. Make I send her the money. I beg. Now make me come and make na just help me send this message. Go meet Sarah. You understand? I believe say if I know you they drag me say that me I see everything what you do. Really, you get every nobody will not go vex for that kind of thing. I na me say na me introduce you meet my husband. So things not gonna go well. So nobody will not they make mistake. You understand? As it can't be so, Sarah, my friend, send me your account number, send me your details, let me pay you the money. Please, I beg to send this message, Miss Sarah. I beg you, I beg. And for Brother Abbott, I beg, I want to use the opportunity to talk to you. If you get anything where you and my husband get, I beg, nobody will not they make mistake. Just see try, may you calm down, may you see forget, I beg. Many people there where they do all these things, where people never they know. Well, because the one way you come out, now people they see. You understand? And I want to beg you, if there's anything between you and my husband, make not try. Make this matter, make it dissolve. I want to come beg you, Brother Abbott. You understand? I peace, nothing like peace. So now waiting, I can't talk. For my friend Sarah, please, Mona, help me send this message to her who gets her contact. Make you send me her details. So make I for send the money give her. Between that in few days, I pray that God will do it. At least all my loved ones, so they follow me by here. Now say I want to pay some money now. Make una buy because after this one I enter house, show na hair. So now this business now they do. Now let this one now I get. I don't get another thing why they do. So if they manage myself, they go. I beg you now, make now just anywhere where I for offend anybody for this matter. So make all of us still forgive me. Nobody is perfect. Nobody is perfect at all. Nobody will go say that you better and you good. Nobody they perfect. So now I come out, conduct. Please, Mona, join me. So let's go there, hair by hair.
People with destiny dupe, they don't let me sleep. Oh. I had to leave bedroom. I leave my wife for room, come parlor. Cause they don't let me sleep. This evening, cause me don't receive, like the day don't break self. Cause me don't receive today since I post that last video. Destiny. Uwe gbirie do. Irie do away, destiny. Irie do away. Oh shit. From my calculation this evening, money where destiny need to return. Don't reach, don't 8.5 million, 7 million, 8. Oh God. About shit. Hey. You know if you do it your mate, they do it, they live a big man life. You know they do see your phone, 30,000, 40,000, they do social media, Facebook, YouTube, $100, $100, $200. Money where destiny need to return. It will reach 140 million. All his life. Now people money. Destiny, you see that your hotel with the build. You're going to put for sale tomorrow. Airworld shop, you need to go put for sale for Airworld shop. Then Esther instruments, you need to find where if you tell Joshua, go to KCA, what know your don't buy instruments. These three, I don't know the one they'll quit by, whether not the instruments or Airworld shop or your hotel will be the build. Because your house, me no say you don't use that one to borrow money where. I don't know about your house. You don't get better motor, so it will go carry your motor. So Destiny. One update will come out tomorrow. No, your matter need to go global. Your the update I want drop tomorrow. The person who say me iPad drop the money. He say he go drop 1 million. He say she go drop 1 million. Make I take put your video for Insta blog, for Tunde Not, for Lydia Keji. Gedegbe aboyaso. Gedegbe Destiny. Let's say you block me or block me. I will call you for this particular one. Not be me go bring you down completely. Now money I can't draw. I will call you say this person talks for money where you dey owe her. She want drop 1 million for to put your picture, everything for Insta blog and her payment details. So I will tell you say, Igona, I will gave her hoe. This one fights you. She won't fight you. Better fight, better style. We just even as I do this video now, she dey chat me and they see the notification they pop up from my phone. So if I all call you say, oh Anna, this room tester, or ona can be a buyer or a shop word. Oh God. While you live a fake life. Boy, I'm here. We have that post ya left we ba. Ya gege. Ero pa kire sadu. E posto e go wa mo bora loko. Fair weather friend wa no. Ebi ya ma e po house you. Ebi ya big ebi na. Pa! Ole. So Destiny, let's say you still get over 80 million to pay.